ebony skin, I knew the situation was bound to be of the utmost importance.
Whoa. You're black?
Yeah.
You're not black.
Yeah, I am. What, you think just because I'm a white ghost, that must mean I'm the ghost of a white guy? Do you think when black people die, they turn into black ghosts?
I suppose I've never considered it before. But I mean, you don't have a
what?
A black voice.
Oh, a black voice? And what, pray tell, is a black voice to you? What do black people sound like? Can you do an impression of a black voice? You know what? Let me get a chair. Let me get a fucking ghost chair. Because oh boy, do I gotta hear this. I gotta sit down for this. Because oh boy, is this gonna be good. So let's hear it. Let's hear what you think black people sound like.
I'd like to rescind my comment.
What was that?
I said I rescind my comment. Can you please just keep going?
What's the mission, Mr. President?